Welcome to this video tutorial about the Linoq web client. In this tutorial we will take a look at the login that is launching the main Linoq client. After that we will examine the dashboard where all the activities are being listed. We'll check out the main menu which you will use to navigate the client, see the user profile in detail, and finally we're going to dive into some interesting account settings. Right, here we go. Starting out from the login screen at www.linoq.net, you can log in with either your standard sign-in, consisting of email address and password, or you can log in using Facebook sign-in. In this video, we will be using email and password. If you are unsure as to how to create an account with email and password access, please see our tutorial about creating an account. So let's enter our login data. Email first, we are using the email address of one of our Linoq demo accounts. Then the password. And finally the login button to log into the application. The first screen you'll see after the login is the dashboard, the activity list. On this screen all future events and activities will show up to give you an overview as to what's been going on in Linoq while you were away. After creating an account, the dashboard will usually be empty, but after a little while the dashboard will fill up with log records about your activities. Entries in the list include things like friend requests you sent out, friend requests that you received from other Linoq users, songs that you have recommended to your friends, and songs that your friends recommended to you. All entries in the dashboard are sorted by date, beginning with the most recent event. Also, the records have a timeout limit of a couple of weeks, so over time you will lose older entries automatically. Above the dashboard you see the menu section consisting of 3 menu items. Browse to search, listen and recommend songs. Support opens the support section on our website where you can find tips and guides for the Linoq client. And the user menu, which grants access to the account related settings. From top to bottom this would be personal, to edit your personal data and account information. Statistics displays your personal statistics about your sales and earnings from your recommendations. Friends allows you to manage your friend network. The cart that contains all songs that you have listened to and decided to purchase. And last but not least, the sign out item to properly log out from the client application. Users who have registered as artist or label will find another menu item labeled My Songs, as we can see in another demo account here. This item allows you to import your songs from Soundcloud to Linoq. We'll hear more about that in the import songs tutorial. The first thing you should check are the account settings, which you can open by clicking Personal in the user menu. All settings are grouped in 3 sections that can be activated by clicking the respective tab. The dialog under the Profile tab allows you to edit your user data, as there are the first and last name, the city and country, and finally the profile picture. If you change or add data as I do here in the city field, please click on Save to permanently save your changes. You can furthermore decide whether or not you want to receive email notifications whenever a song is purchased or recommended to you. For the time being, it's certainly a good thing to keep that option activated. Let's take a look at the profile picture. To link your Linoq user to a specific image, you can upload a profile picture. Simply click the Upload button and search for a suitable image you want to upload. You can either pick a JPEG, a PNG or a GIF file. After selecting the image, it's being uploaded and displayed in the profile. Under the tab Account, you'll find the dialog to edit your Linoq user account data. Here you can change your password, deactivate your account, or change the email address. For all of the above, you will have to enter your current password as a security measure. Should you change your email address, you will have to have your new email address verified. To do that, check your inbox for the Linoq mail which contains the new verification link. In case you don't get a verification email, please take a look at your junk or spam folder. The third tab, Balance and Withdrawal, contains the information about your earnings in Linoq. As you know, in Linoq, you can earn money by selling your own songs or when your friends buy a song that you recommended to them. These earnings are listed in this section of the profile data. Your current account balance shows the current balance of your Linoq account. Your total earnings via commissions shows the earnings you have made by recommending. Your total earnings via song sales shows the earnings that result from your songs being sold directly. And finally, your total payout so far, which displays the sum of all withdrawals you've made from your Linoq to your PayPal account. Using the controls in section Withdrawal, you can transfer your earnings from your Linoq account to your PayPal account. To do so, simply enter two things: the gross amount you want to withdraw from your Linoq account and the email address of your PayPal account to transfer the money to. Additionally, the field Net Amount displays the amount of cash your PayPal account will be credited with after PayPal has deducted its fees. Due to these PayPal fees, it's not advisable to transfer very small amounts of cash. A reasonable lower boundary would, for instance, be something between 3 and 5 euros. This is where we reach the end of this screencast about dashboard menu and user account. Thanks a lot for watching, and stick with us for some more Linoq video tutorials.